Hey guys, Lauren Weyerman here, the creator of Wildflowers Nails, and today for this week's YouTube video, so we're in the middle of Master Artist Week. There's literally, I'm in a room with like 12 really amazing artists, and the class is over and they don't want to leave, so they're just sitting here doing more nails. But today I am going to do a beautiful set of nails using this week's product of the week, which is our Micro-Lite Glitters. And if you don't know about them, the Micro-Lite Glitters are a mixture of half holographic and half iridescent glitters. And I'm going to show you this really popular look that everybody loves, so I hope that you enjoy. We've been doing the cutest nails. I'm just gonna show you guys because, you know, they're like sitting on my desk and my nails are a wreck, don't look. But anyway, we just finished Elevated Art. So these are some of our nails from Elevated Art class. And oh my gosh, look, cupcakes and lots of roses and stuff like that. So anyway, I know that's not what I'm about to show you, but I was really excited and they're all on my desk in my way. So I've got some sticky tack on my nail tip holder and I've got all kinds of gunky stuff. If you ever get gunky stuff on your nail tip holder, a lot of times what you can do is just use scissors and clip this off. Otherwise, it'll start to just grow on the side of your nail tip holder. I'm going to take my nail tip, just round off the edge of it. And Tay was telling me that so these are the Micro-Lites, this is them in a stacker, and she was telling me that everybody likes this frost color and everybody likes this satin color. So she said, if you do it in this color or do it in that color. So I'm gonna go with this blue. And to do this look, what you wanna do is polish the nail in a similar color, something really close to the color of the glitter. So I'm just going to use any old gel polish and get my base nail color on there. Okay, looks good. I'm gonna cure this now. And next thing I'll grab is my Wildflowers matte top coat. And we're also gonna grab the Wildflowers puffy gel. So here, I'm sorry, did I say puffy gel? I meant pop-up gel. The Wildflowers pop-up gel to do the sugaring. I think this would be well done with an indigo brush. And if you don't have the indigo brush, this is what it looks like. It's a great little brush for this technique. We'll also need a scrubby brush. Now, look at my scrubby brush. It's dirty as heck. So if you have a scrubby brush, what you wanna do is work with some isopropyl alcohol to clean this out. And I'll show you really quickly what that looks like because it can be kind of shocking what these brushes hold. So I'm just getting some isopropyl alcohol and you can see all of that pink and purple pigment coming out. You can be kind of rough on these brushes. These are the types of brushes that you don't have to be real careful, like an acrylic brush or a sable hair brush. So get in there and make sure this is clean. Why is it so important that your scrubby brush is clean before you do this? Because if you put down white puffy gel or white pop-up gel and then you go to dust away the excess glitter, whatever color pigment is in your brush is gonna end up in the gel. And yes, it's a cool look, but it won't really stay like that. Okay, matte top coat. Make sure you give it a good shake before you use it. We'll apply this to the nail. Check my light line out real fast, make sure I don't have any weird spots, and then we'll go ahead and cure. So this is the gel we're gonna be working with, and we're just gonna paint a pattern on the nail, and it's nothing complicated. It's really not complicated. You don't have to worry about making skinny thin lines or anything like that. The best way to use this is to actually scoop some of this out and work with it from a silicone mat. We have these great little flower palettes, we call them. These are silicone. Sorry, it's so dirty. Been using it a lot this week. And I also have a silicone mat down here, the Wildflowers art mat. So here we go. I'm gonna come in here and place my brush down. It's okay to let these bristles sort of spread out when we do this. And just working in manageable sections. It's also okay if you have a little fuzz, because we're gonna be sugaring this and you're not gonna see the fuzz. The fuzz will be trapped in the gel. Trying to work this as even as possible. Now, I'm not too concerned about the gel being see-through, because the color underneath is very similar, but having this white pop-up gel on there is really going to help it pop against the background. Okay. And we'll do one more section. Just like this. We're gonna come through here and smooth this out. And then I'm gonna take a look at the overall design and I'm gonna say, does this look balanced? Is this gonna look good? Should I make the middle part a little thicker? Should I make it wider at the top? You know, just considering all of these things. I might actually, now that I'm looking at the overall design, come in here and just widen the top of this just a little bit. All right. And now comes the fun part, the sugaring. So first thing I'm gonna do is, you don't want to sugar on a silicone mat because it will be all over the mat and you'll never get it off. And then you will be contacting customer service like, help me. So just a little tip. If you get glitter on your silicone mat, you can use a lint roller to remove it. But I like to put some type of towel down. So we're going to find our teal color glitter, open this up, and then we're just going to give it a little tap and a little sprinkle. Sprinkle this out onto the nail. Now, here's something interesting, and it's good to know about what you can and can't do. I could use this glitter on their next finger. If I was doing this on my client's hand, I could do it on the next finger, the next finger, the next finger, and the next finger until I run out. After that, you have to pitch if anything's left, because it is unsanitary to put this back in the jar or to use it on another client, okay? So we'll take this, and then we'll put this in the light to cure it. And then comes my favorite part, and that is the part where we dust it off. So I'm not going to completely get rid of this because dusting it off is going to make a bit of a mess. Make sure my scrubby brush is dry. And if you're looking for a way to clean your brushes, I am going to recommend actually that you clean them in a little blob of Wildflowers matte top coat. Let me show you what this looks like. You're just going to put a little blob of Wildflowers matte down. And then you're gonna come in here and just press, 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 and look, can you see all of that white gel that's in there? Just rising to the surface. So take good care of your brushes, clean them regularly. I used to clean them once a day at the end of the day really fast when I finished my clients. I would clean my brushes and roll them to a point just like that, and then put the lid on and let them sit until the next day when I went to use them. All right. The moment of truth, the best part. We're gonna dust this off. And voila. Here is our gorgeous, gorgeous Micro-Lite Glitter nail. it does have texture. So, and it's a very soft texture, but let your clients know that it's going to have some texture. If your clients can't handle texture, which, you know, those people are out there, you can put a shiny top coat over top of this part that's been glittered, but just beware, it's not going to sparkle quite the same. Like, it'll sparkle, but it won't sparkle the same way. So real quick, now I'm going to play with my camera. And I'm going to autofocus this and just turn it in the light and spin it so you can see how gorgeous it is. Let me turn off this light and see if we can sparkle it. Well, that's not as exciting. Boo, turn the light back on. But isn't this an amazingly beautiful glitter? I've got one more thing. Let's shine some what would be sunlight on it. So I've got my iPhone here. Maybe. And we'll shine a little bit of the flashlight from the iPhone on this and see what effect it would have out in the sunshine. Okay. Ooh. Look how sparkly. So you really see all the rainbow of colors when you get it outside in the sun. It's just not sunny right now today. But I love the look of this glitter. I love how, oh my God, look at it. I love how soft it is. It's not really a catchy glitter. It's pretty soft and smooth, but this is how we've been getting so many questions, like, how do you do this nail? So here you guys go. It's actually really easy. Let me turn autofocus off. How do I do that? I don't know. Well, anyway, so sparkly. All right, guys, so I hope that you try this look. It's so easy, right? Again, these are the Micro-Lite stackers. We just put this glitter into a stacker. So if you don't have it in a stacker and you want it in a stacker, it comes in a stacker. And if you hate stackers, that's okay, because it also comes in a sifter jar. And if you don't like the sifter jars, it also comes in a 10-gram jar, which is awesome. So we have it on special this week, and I believe it's 40% off when you buy it with the scrubby brush, but that's for this week only. So if you're seeing this, you know, another week, I'm sure we have another amazing product on special. We are doing specials every week of 2020. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next week. So don't forget, you can shop online anytime at wildflowersnails.com to get any of the stuff that you saw in the video. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram as well at Wildflowers Nails and at Wildflowers Nail Shop. We have Master Artist Week coming up in just probably, oh my goodness, I think 4 weeks. I'm so excited. We only have 20 spaces in the class, and there are still just a couple spaces available. This is a week where you work directly with me. I guide you through creating 49 different nails, and it is just an unforgettable week. It will change your career. We have this class once a year. So 2020 almost sold out. We'll be launching the dates for 2021 coming up very soon. But that's how you become a master artist. Be sure to subscribe for a new tutorial every Thursday. And of course, again, our website, wildflowersnails.com, you can find all of our goodies.